Seniors Division, second runner-up, Grade 10, Rinaldi. First runner-up, Grade 10, Rua. Division, Grade 9, Calasans. Major sports, volleyball. Juniors Division, please all stand, volleyball players, for the second runner-up. Grade 8, Kazmierski.
There's medal, Lauren.
First runner-up, Grade